Timeless messages. Welcome, stars. Welcome to your timeless messages. Starting from Aries. This is Aries to Virgo. And the next will be Libra to Pisces. Aries. Aries, you have the Moon card. So the Moon is a card of illusions. The Moon is psychic, you know. There's something hidden going on. There's something going on behind the scenes which is still not clear to you. The Moon is not enough clarity. But if you see there's a path, there's a new path opening up in this situation. So some things are not clear at the moment, but there will be light on the situation. And also this is a card of intuition. Trust your intuition in some situation, Aries. It's to do with the world. It's to do with the closing out of a cycle. It's to do with a new beginning in your life. Or maybe something is ending and something is about to end, or you've already ended something and you're still not sure about this situation. So it's to do with something, but it will all be revealed in the end, and you will be ready to start a new chapter in your life. Taurus, you have the Nine of Cups. Taurus, this is a celebration. This is a celebration, a victory after a hard work. So this is emotional contentment in your life, and it's to do with your heart. It's to do with your emotions. There's some good news that's going to be coming towards you. This could be with a woman. This could be with a woman figure in your life, that there is a good news and it's a cause of celebration. Also, the Queen of Cups nurtures her emotions. The Queen of Cups is heightened intuition, heightened activity, psychic activity. So what they are saying is trust your emotions, trust your intuition, because what you thought was right and what you wished for is coming true. It's something to do with an emotional contentment which is going to make you very happy. Gemini, we have the Ten of Swords. So Gemini, this is the ending of a situation. The Ten of Swords is coming out of, you're nearly at the end of a situation that's made you trapped, and that has made you so much frustrated and very painful. So somebody that caused you pain, this some kind of an ending that's coming, painful ending that's coming to an end. And the starting, this is to do now, it's to do with Two of Wands. So you're ending a painful cycle and you're beginning a new cycle. You're looking towards the future. The Two of Wands, this is two new opportunities related to your work. So if you see the person, he's looking towards to the future and making plans for the future. You could also be overseeing, you could be doing some travel as well. Cancer, we have the Five of Coins. Cancer, this is a regret. This is a money loss. There could be money worries around you. If you see the Five of Pentacles, this is a miser's card. So I'm seeing some money issues around you, something to do with finances. And this is to do with, and the Seven of Pentacles. So both the cards are finances. Seven of Pentacles, if you see this man, he is patiently waiting for his finances to grow. So money may be coming in slowly, or money is not growing as fast as you wanted it to be. So this is putting in your finances, taking care of your finances wisely, and cultivating, putting in the hard work and waiting, taking care of your finances. So it's all to do with money and partnerships for Cancer. Leo, we have the Queen of Swords. Leo, this is the Queen of Swords. She nurtures her thoughts. The Queen of Swords are your thoughts. So this is a brave woman The Queen of Swords is clarity in thinking, clear mind, clear decision making. And it's to do with the Three of Cups. So you have a celebration, you have all your clarity, your clear thinking, and your hard work is leading you to a reunion. So we have the Three of Cups. So this is a time of celebration. This is a time of reunion with the family, reunion with your friends. There are people who want to socialize with you. There are people who want to spend time with you. So this is a card of emotional happiness and contentment, Leo. Virgo, we have the Ten of Pentacles. Virgo, this is money and finances. Could be entering a partnership with someone. The Ten of Pentacles is a long-term commitment. So I'm seeing your finances growing. Something is coming. Long-term security. And it's to do with the Ace of Cups. So this is a new beginning in a creative project. The Ace of Cups is something inspires you, some creative project that you're about to start, Virgo, and it's going to give you a lot of success. If you see the Ten of Pentacles, it's a lot of success, abundance, long-term prosperity. And this is to do with the cups, emotions. This is to do with your intuition, something to do with your psychic awareness as well. So you could be doing something spiritual, a new creative project, Virgo, and it's amazing. So the money is there, and your investment is there.